Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Romany and today we are going to be testing out a product that I got recently in my FabFitFun box. Let me just grab it for you. Nothing like being prepared, is there? We are going to be testing out this. This is the PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. Looks a little bit like that. I will link above. I got this in my FabFitFun, as I just said. Before we get into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free, as well as commenting and liking. So this is the PMD Clean, and I don't really know anything about it. So it says on the side of the box, PMD Clean is a smart facial cleansing device that uses a sonic glow technology. It has 4 customizable modes and brush optimized for all skin type. It does come with the item, the clean thing, a little stand to place it on, and it also comes with a battery. Just a normal AA battery. It doesn't have any instructions whatsoever. Apparently it is, so it massages in serums. It has a soft silicone bristles. It is waterproof, so you can use it in the shower or in the bath. As you can see, it is one of those soft touches. It looks a little bit questionable, I'm not gonna lie. But it is soft touch. It is in this very nice teal colour, which is how I got it. So the front here, I don't know if you can see, is a very soft silicone, and you've just got a little bit up here, and they are slightly larger dimples. Dimples is what I'm going to call them. And on the back as well, it has some ridges as well. I do love everything that's soft touch. I could sit here and touch it all day. Yes, and as I said, there's a little stand which stands up fine in that. Unscrew the base, insert the battery, push button to power on to cycle through cleansing and massaging modes. Use twice daily to cleanse skin for a fresh, radiant look. Use the anti-aging massager often. It's most effective when applying serums and moisturizers. So what is the... Oh, okay. It's very awkward that this does not come with any kind of instructions. You kind of have to muddle through. So apparently this side here, this dimpled side, this ridged side, that is to massage in serums. And this side, this dimpled silicone side, is for the cleanser and stuff, I guess. Right, so perfectly easy. Place the battery inside, goes in the bottom there, then screws back on. Obviously with it being silicone, it's going to be very easy to clean. Right, so there is this button here, which I'm pressing. It's not doing anything. The battery is round the correct way. I don't understand how it's customizable. I thought maybe it was like linked to your phone or something. Oh, okay. It's because I was pressing it. So, one press. And it's a very strong vibrate. Okay. Another press. It's faster. Jesus. That is very fast. Can you hear that? Good God. Somebody's going to think I'm doing something I shouldn't be. Or should be. And then I press it again. And it's pulsating. Okay, and then a fourth time, the fourth time, and then it's really fast pulsating, like, that's really hard to describe. It's very strong. Press it again, oh, and again, and it's off. Oh my god, that's made my hands go a little bit funny. I'm gonna have to have a look, I think. Okay, so they do sell it over here on Look Fantastic. It's £89, so it was $99 when we had a look, when we unboxed it from our FabFitFun. Powered by Sonic Glow technology, which offers 7,000 vibrations per minute. I can believe that. The device works to break down impurities and excess oil from deep within pores, utilising antibacterial silicone brush head to help prevent breakouts. The anti-aging massage feature improves absorption of serums and creams whilst firming and toning the facial contours for a younger looking appearance. The waterproof cleansing tool offers 4 settings of varying intensity, ensuring a clear and youthful complexion every time. Apparently it is suitable for every skin type. Directions. Apply cleanser. We recommend modes 1 and 2 for optional cleansing results. Move brush head in a circular motion, cleansing entire face. It is safe to spend more time in areas that may be of personal concern. Rinse face clean of any excess cleanser, then pat dry. So let me just do that. I'll be back. I've come back. I have my cleanser. I'm using the Body Shop Vitamin E Cream Cleanser, and I'm just going to pop it straight on to my cleansing thing, my PMD Clean, and it says to use mode 1 or 2, and I'm going to go around in a circular motion. I'm telling you all this now just in case I can't talk, because it's a little bit too much. My face is clean. I have had a bath. I'm in my pyjamas, if you hadn't guessed. So my face has been washed already. So yes, okay. Wish me luck. Oh good god. Oh, it's cold. Right, I'm just going to dab that around a little bit. Okay. And it said to concentrate in areas of like concern. Okay, so that'll be like this part of my chin or my nose. That's probably about it actually. So we're going to go with 1. Oh my god, do you want to come in closer? Come in closer. Oh my god, it's vibrating my teeth. Oh, I can't put it near my nose. That's just... Oh, near your eye. My eye's jumping up and down. Oh god, right, by the nose. That is hilarious. Oh, it's very soft. Oh my god. You just don't want to get it near your nose, and to be fair, it's in my nose crevice, and that I probably need to get in those blackheads. I'm going to do under my chin. Right, I'm going to go to the next level, the next mode. Is that, hold on. Right, 1, 2, okay. That's just even faster. This is nice. I could do this for quite a while. I'm sure Tom's going to come in a minute and go, "What are you doing in there?" Okay, right, I'm going to turn that off. I'm going to go and rinse my face, pat it dry, and then we're going to move on. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put my toner on, just because it doesn't say anything about using it for toner. I'm just using the Body Shop toner as well. This little stand is not very good, I've got to say. You've got to jam it in there. Could have come with a, you know, a half decent stand. I don't like that, it's a bit rubbish. Just being honest. Apply moisturiser and activate mode 3 or 4 to massage in products and lift, firm and tone the skin. What's this side for? On the side of the packet, as you can see, it says massage in serum. I tell you what, the instructions are absolutely rubbish, seeing as I've had to go to another website to get instructions because they don't actually have the instructions in the box. I just find that bizarre. Why would you not have any instructions or anything in the box? Unless it usually does and one just came without. Serums. You know what I'm going to do? I got a new serum yesterday in my FabFitFun. Okay, so this is the Sensuals facial serum with hyaluronic acid, vitamin C. So this one I'm going to pop. So what do you do here? Do you pop a couple of drops on your face already? I'm just going to do that. This serum smells absolutely amazing. I use this side. So they said on mode 3 or 4. So 2, 3. So this is mode 3. I don't enjoy this side. What was I? Look, this side is a little bit. This side is not that great. Let me turn it over. I like this side. I don't like the other side as much. It's not rubbing that. It's not rubbing the serum in. It's kind of just smooshing it around my face. Let's go moisturiser. Oh well, if we're using everything from the FabFitFun, let me get out my moisturiser as well. I should have done the cleanser, shouldn't I? Okay, moisturiser. This is from my FabFitFun as well. Come on. This is like a funny texture, I tell you. It's a lightweight moisturiser, but it seems to be like gel. Okay, so I'm going to go into mode 4 for this. Okay. I'm going to dot it around. I put loads on then. I feel that you end up using far too much. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I like that one. More pulsating. I don't like it on my forehead. On my forehead it doesn't feel nice. On my forehead it feels a little bit bony. And it's not very nice on your throat either. My jawline. Oh, don't get near your ear. Okay, right, I'm going to turn it off. It doesn't tell you how long to do it for either. I'm just going to wipe that in. It hasn't massaged it in. However, I do think that's probably my fault. You run the risk of using far too much product with this because I just squeeze loads on, and that is not how much moisturiser I would generally use. So I did get a little bit overly excited with that moisturiser. So just be aware of how much product you're actually using. It is nice. I don't think I'd get it out twice a day, to be honest. especially like in the morning, I'm more of a like slap it on, you know, get everything on as quickly as possible as such, and I'm in and out, especially if I'm getting ready for work, where I find this is probably more of a not necessarily luxurious, but it's more of a take your time using each product and things like that. So you wouldn't want to quickly whiz around it. It's not very nice on the neck, and obviously I do like to bring down all of my skincare down onto my neck and around that area. I'm a little bit disappointed that it didn't come with any instructions. Well, mine didn't anyway. Maybe normally it would do. I'd quite have liked some more hints and tips and everything on using the product. But other than that, it's the modes are so strong. They are so strong. My nose is really itching now, really itchy. In regards to does my face feel, my face actually does feel really nice. It does feel really, really nice. It's a little bit red. I don't know whether you can see that. Let's zoom you in a little bit. It looks a little bit red, a little bit not irritated as such, but yeah, a little bit red in places. So I don't know whether I was maybe pressing too hard, or it could have actually even been some of the actual products that I use, because I've never used that vitamin C serum or anything, but it's not like it's irritated it too much at all. I've got a couple on my neck as well. So all in all, I've always wanted one of these electric cleansers. I was toying on getting the Clinique one, and I just never got around to getting one. I've always used like brushes, these like dry brushes. I have this one. This is a Botanics one. I use this as like my wet one, so I will go around with my cleanser and everything on that one, and I have one down behind me which I keep completely clean. I keep completely dry, and that's more of a dry brush, that's more to exfoliate. But this does both, so I am very pleased with this. I will keep playing around with it, and I will keep you informed of how I'm getting on. I'm not very good at keeping up with things like this. I tend to, they tend to be like a fad, don't they? Because it's an extra step which I can't be bothered to do all the time. I have like quite a few things like that which I got because of its benefits, and I very rarely use them because I just can't be bothered. It's too much of a hassle for me. Unless I'm sat here and I remember, if I'm doing something on the computer, then I will do it there and then, but it's not something I would do every day. So we'll see, we will see. I will try to do it regularly to see what the results are, and as I said, I will keep you informed in the comments below. That is all from me this evening. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you found it informative. If you do have one of these and yours came with instructions, or I've done something wrong, please let me know so I can do it right. Okay, alright. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye!